let's take a look at this 445. I've had it about a year. We're going to take a look at it and see what we think. Alright, here's some of the things I had to do with it when I got it. These here had a little rust on them, the floor pans, so I had to take them, strip them, and paint them. The seat was shot, so the wife redid the seat. Of course, we added the little spinner on the steering wheel. Go back here. I added that hitch to the back so I could put whatever I want in it. The tail lights was broke. I had to buy a couple new lenses. The screws was already in there when I got it. Let's see what else we had to do. I just shined it up. You can't tell it now because I mowed with it for a year. I put this, what do you call it, make it go faster in reverse, but that didn't seem to work with a crap road unless you really step on it. The grill was broke, so I repaired the grill on it. And these side markers, they look like crap on the edges, so I took and put a line on them and painted them, just left part of it there. Let's see, what else? Changed oil, of course, put a new fuel filter on it. So after a year, it's been a pretty good tractor. I like it. I picked it up for a pretty good price. Of course, I got a video on the bucket I fabbed and put on it. But they come with a 54-inch deck. I got the blade with it. And then this, I don't know what you'd call it. We'll just call it a picker-upper. I could slide it in that hitch back there. I can pick stuff up and move around. Well, that's about it. I've enjoyed it. It's been a good tractor. Again, I bought it used. I do like it. I liked it so much I bought a 425, but it needs to have some motor work done on it. I got it outside. But all in all, do I enjoy the tractor? Yeah, I love the way it rides. It rides smooth. I mean smooth. I don't know. I can't imagine having any other tractor. My whole idea was to get a 318. And I come across this and I went, yeah. So I started researching it, and this is the one I ended up with. And I really, really like it. I'm not done with it. There's other things I want to do with it. I actually want to save this for the tractor. And then I want to take the 425 and put the deck on the 425 and use it for mowing because it has the all-wheel steer on it. So we'll see what happens. Anyway, again, after a year, I've enjoyed it. Anyway, that's it. We're out.